Hey everybody, it's Mike. Today we're doing an install on a Hellwig rear sway bar kit on a 2019 Ram half-ton. They have multiple versions. They have them for stock height, or also if it's lifted, this would be the version we're installing today. It has the adjustable rod ends to help with your height adjustment, and it also has multiple holes on the bar itself that'll actually help with the adjustability as far as if you want it stiffer or softer. So we'll do the install and get back with you. Okay, we're back. We just finished the install on the rear Hellwig sway bar. We didn't end up using the hardware that provided for the sway bar bushings. We could use the factory OEM hardware. We did use their new hardware on the sway bar end links, and we had to break an OEM nut from the bracket, and we just did that with a breaker bar. And now we're going to take it on some corners and see how well it works.